All right, well, the first thing I'm going to check on this yellow Norton is the battery. Now, I've got a battery tester on it right now, positive, negative, and I'm reading a good 13 volts. Look at that, 13 volts. Sounds like a good battery, but let's put a load on it. This is a load tester. Okay, so I'm going to throw this switch down here, which puts a load on the battery, and watch what happens. Dead or not, doornail. So, battery is holding voltage, but it cannot support current drain. So this battery is bad. Okay, so I'll put a better battery on it and see if I can get some spark and maybe even a pop or two. Okay, this is another battery. This battery is actually out of the gold Norton. I had it sitting over here, and I'll show you what it does on the load tester. First of all, just like the other battery, with it hooked up, it shows a nice 13 volts. But when I turn on the load switch, watch what happens. See that? Stays in the green. Now keep in mind, this is a load tester for automotive batteries, but it's in the green, okay? So that says it can handle amperage, load, draw, whatever you want to call it. All right? So this battery tests good. Now what I'm going to do is put it down here on the ground and run some jumper wires up to the battery that's in there and kick it over a few times and see if I can see some sparkles at the sparklers. That'll tell me whether or not it wants to run. Well, okay, it's 3:15, and I'm going to try to start this thing. I've got a buddy battery on the side, just hooked up to the existing battery that was not testing good, so this guy's a good heavy-duty battery. If I turn the lights on, here, I've got a good strong headlight. So, I've got the ICU remote tank hooked up to the carbs. I took the bowls off, cleaned out the bowls and put on fresh gaskets, I think, and a couple of just minor stuff, and then cleaned the pilot jets and set them to 1.5 turns out. So let's kick on it a couple times and see what happens. All right, let's see if I can kickstart a Norton. This ought to be fun. I haven't kickstarted one of these in a while. Kevin's always done it. Oh, good. Key on. Gas is on, carbs are tickled. I am thrilled. Oh. Roger and see if there's anything else he wants me to do. Basically, he can change out the battery. That's no problem. And that's all he asked me to do, is just get it running. So it's running.